An important part of subsurface investigation methodology, SIM, is the analytical thought processes of the field technician, or the human asset of SIM. Field technician personnel establish problem-solving skills through rigorous training, mentorship, and interviewing. For SIM to achieve peak effectiveness, you must have a well-rounded technician. Despite the equipment or process quality, you need real-life human experience to create the safest job site for your project. That end goal is why every project manager or member of your company's field staff should be SIM trained and qualified. Technology can only get you so far. It's the human asset of SIM that enables a company to create a positive experience for their clients and maintain safe and accurate records for every customer. SIM is a machine that requires multiple gears to work together in order for it to function properly. And one of the most important gears in the SIM process is the repeated methodology that technicians perform for each project. A solid, repeatable methodology guarantees that each field technician can perform the same service and achieve the same quality of results. Whether you've been doing this for 5 years or 1 day, a good methodology, such as SIM, allows each one of its technicians to be trained the same and achieve top-notch, safe results for each project. The industry standard recommends 8 hours as a minimum for training and 60 hours practicing GPR to become certified NDT Level 1 in ground penetrating radar. In contrast, SIM requires 320 hours of mentorship in the field prior to 80 hours of classroom hands-on training. The mentorship period grants the employee a chance to gain exposure to the working culture, responsibilities, and expectations of the job. In addition, the classroom training section of SIM fully immerses the field tech into the established standard operating procedures, SOP, applied to both concrete scanning, underground utility locating, and video pipe inspection. This investment of time and money into the field technician plays a critical role in the success of SIM. Subsurface investigation methodology, SIM, requires multiple technologies to be used in an investigation. The most effective technologies in the industry are the traditional pipe locator, electromagnetic receiver, and ground penetrating radar, or GPR. The traditional pipe and cable locator is used to detect electromagnetic fields associated with a buried pipe or cable, while GPR is widely used in the private utility location industry due to its ability to image underground anomalies that are identifiable by a company's trained technicians. And as with any investigation, more data points bear out the most accurate and precise results that will yield the best outcome. To create the safest environment for both employees, employers, and subcontractors, subsurface investigation methodology, SIM language, can be implemented within construction companies and facilities' own specifications and policies. Every 62 seconds, there is a line strike somewhere in the United States. Excavation-related damages took a steady increase from 2018 to 2019, jumping to 532,000 from 509,000 in just 1 year. There was a reported $30 billion in damages to utility lines and other underground infrastructure in the United States during 2019 alone. Since 2000, there have been more than 2,000 injuries and 400 deaths because of insufficient or non-existent ground disturbance policies at construction or other job sites. Every company should have a safe and sound ground disturbance plan so everyone can do their part in protecting our country's underground infrastructure. Furthermore, when ground disturbance policies and dig permits implement the subsurface investigation methodology, SIM mandate, they help create a safe environment for their job site. The best and safest companies utilize the SIM process, not only to protect their bottom line, but to protect their workforce, avoid costly project delays, and eliminate unnecessary expenses. With a 99.8% success rate, SIM is simply the most effective job site safety policy mandate for subsurface analysis. How do I implement SIM into my company procedures? I know what SIM is, but how did I use it? So far, you've gained a good understanding of what SIM is and how it works for a typical business, but you might still be wondering how you can take this methodology process and transfer into your own everyday world. Sign up for a free ground disturbance plan, implement SIM into each project's dig permit, and insert the SIM mandate into your company policies to create a safer job environment for your clients and employees.